The next three are macaws with issues. A little more time-consuming. And then it's clear sailing from there on out.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you ever been here before? Did you want to be in this chair?
See, the only thing we've ever had on this bird is that he tends to chew on some of his feathers.
You can't video if you're holding the bird.
He would strip some of his flight feathers, but the last time I saw him in December, it looked much better. And even now, it looks really good. You wouldn't even know it. So what we're going to do, we're going to trim some of these flight feathers so that it just looks a little more even.
If she's not flip-flopping, we're trying to
Wings on a bird so they can't fly. You do the outer half, and then you never cut the inner half.
You want to see if they're okay. So do be very careful because this is when they will bite. So overall health of her spine
Always has been.
Yeah,
Now that's a new feather coming in right there.
not sure. So the towel might not.
That's the one that when he hit the table.
They're always losing feathers and they're always growing new ones.
You can.
Okay, so that's what you do when you clip the wings. There's a nice pretty bird, he's got a nice shine to the feathers.
There you go.
And then we check the tail for ones like this that are broken. And if they're broken, I just pull them out. And that'll stimulate new ones to come in right away. And they're not attached very firmly, so even you can do that if they were kind of dangling. But when they grow new ones, the shafts are purple. So see how that one's got a purple shaft?
That's the one thing.
And there's blood in there, so they call that a blood feather. There's another one growing in. And it takes 6 weeks to grow in, and once it grows in, the blood goes away, and then the shaft turns hollow. Kind of white. And then it sits that way for a year until the next new feather pushes the old one out. So they're always losing feathers all the time. And then we wet the feathers with alcohols, and we can spread them. All birds are bald right down the middle, so this is normal.
I always wondered. Okay, good.
I was looking at that yesterday.
So if you get them wet, you'll see they look balder than you think they are. That's the breastbone, chest muscle, and the muscle should be nice and full, and it should kind of arc right over the keel bone. So weight's normal. And you want the tummy sunken. These birds tend to get chubby, and when they get too fat, this will bulge. So weight-wise is good. And that's his vent. In birds, they only have one opening for everything. And the lining should be pink and smooth, so that looks good. And the bottom of the feet look normal. All macaws lean back and put pressure right there on the perch, and they get a wear spot, and that's normal. So his nails are a little long. And we're just going to trim them back.
You want to record something like that?
You know I'm scared.
I'm nervous.
I get nervous, but I wasn't going to bring them to nobody but Dr. McDonald. So.
Uno's been through this for years. 3 times a year, probably for 6 or 7 years.
Wait, how old is it?
2008, so 6 years.
So 6.
But she lied.
What'd she say?
4. Well, she might have done it.
She's got so many.
Yeah, because I see Nacho on there, which is Uno's dad.
Yeah, this might have been one of the babies.
It was.
Oh, she gave us the wrong baby.
No, she only had one baby. She didn't want to probably Uno. Dr. McDonald will be down there in a couple of weeks.
Next week, in fact.
He's going to
her house?
No, Mike's house.
You know him?
Yeah, that's how I found Uno. Is he bleeding?
He might be, but we put quick stop on it all. You know what this is?
On what?
You see, it looks like it just keep bleeding a little bit right up there. No, not if it was at the top.
Oh, maybe I caught that with the Dremel tool. So we'll put some skin glue on that one. It's not really bleeding, but it's just a little spot that doesn't have a little scale on it. So that's skin glue. And then I'm squeezing each toe to just see if it will bleed. And that looks good. Alright, next we're going to weigh them. Usually weighs high 800s or low 900s. It all weighs far below.
So what is that in pounds?
900 is 2 pounds. So it's only a 2-pound bird.
Is he small or average?
Yeah, average. On small sides, it'll be okay. Most of them are
Eliza would have just
1,000 is average, but there are little ones.
You do what they do.
So I just call this one petite. 894. So it's the same.
I got it.
And we look in the mouth, and it looks healthy. That's slit in the roof of the mouth. That's the back of his nose. The tongue's dry. They have no saliva. There you can see the hole where the windpipe goes down. So everything's healthy in there. The eye's good. The ear's right there.
Oh my God, you know where everything, I've never seen him this up
So then that's the nose and the ears is in the
There and
back.
hold it for you. All right, everything's status quo.
Is he doing the
Can
beak?
we, yeah, he's gonna do the beak.
Yeah. Now, when I take this chair, I'm gonna pet you, put it over here.
Can I do that part?
Still recording?
Take that towel and open it up all the way. Okay, here it comes. This goes between
Are you
the
gonna
knees,
do the,
closing. You hold the top of the wings. Oh, yeah, a little duck. This is worn, yes, so keep your head back a little bit.
The microchip?
Oh. I don't know if we're going to be able to do it now. We needed to know that before I woke him up.
I did.
Oh.
You didn't tell them? Where they at in the table, in the
I
closet?
have to knock them back out again.
It's okay.
I already got some already. Or you could just wait till next time you come.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Do you mind if I videotape the bird? You barking. Oh no, you should be used to that. We do it with Vaseline.
That's okay.
To do it with Vaseline?
Oh yeah, or cooking oil.
What about pure virgin olive oil?
Let's stop powder. Put it on just as a in case. I got it. We'll just let it walk. There you go.
You.
So he weighs 894. He weighed 880 last time I saw him.